Sometimes when concrete settles, one side goes down and the other side stays put, as if you drew a line from where it was originally poured straight down. It all just settles one way. To represent what I mean, it's kind of like this. If the concrete was poured on one side where it touches, the level touches the board there, the other side sinks, this side stays put. But other times, the base, especially on long skinny approaches and aprons like this, it kind of acts as a fulcrum. So when one side goes down, the other side actually comes up like a teeter-totter. So why is that bad if one side comes up like a teeter-totter? Well, we can't push concrete down. We can only pick it up with the process of mud jacking. So what you want is your outside edge to remain where it was and lift up the sunken side. Even though this is all one piece, this section has settled down and this side of the same section has popped up like a teeter-totter. The way to check and verify that is to put a level on a straight edge at the furthest most point and the grade point, the garage floor in this case, where it was originally poured at, and see if you still have flow from where you have a high point to what should be the low point. As you can see, you actually have flow from this point back to the door. So why is this a problem where it teeter-totters instead of just settles? Because now, over the years, whatever happened to the water originally before this came up, we don't know, we weren't here. But right now, any water that's flowing across here, because obviously it's all flowing this way, third of a bubble, sending the water down into the joint, and it eventually dissipates down into the gap between the garage floor and the apron. But now if we were to come along and raise this slab level with the height of the door, pick it up right there, now there's no bump. It's a smooth transition from here to here, and it's still flowing backwards. Where do you think that water goes in the winter freeze-thaw months? So on this job, we can mud jack 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then we're gonna have to replace the 6th slab here because it's too high teeter-tottered effect on what should be the low side. We're gonna have to replace this one, which is A-okay. That's what we do too. And that is most certainly how you make the most out of your pavement repair dollars.